In this guide, you'll learn how to fix CIBC. We are sorry there has been an error message. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is check whether CIBC servers are currently down or under maintenance, because if there is a widespread outage, the error will affect many users at the same time and you may simply need to wait until services are restored. So launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Down Detector, search for CIBC. If the servers are operational, start by completely closing the CIBC app or browser tab and reopening it. On phones and tablets, restarting your device can also refresh background services and fix temporary glitches causing the error message. Next, make sure app, browser, and operating system are fully updated, since outdated software often creates compatibility problems with secure banking systems. If you are using the mobile app, you can completely delete the app and reinstall it. This will clear the cache and cookies. For browser users, clear your cache and cookies in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, because damaged website data can stop the banking site from loading properly. You should also disable VPNs, ad blockers, antivirus, web filters, or proxy services temporarily, because banking systems sometimes block protected or filtered connections for security reasons. Also, check your internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router to refresh the network. Finally, make sure your device date and time settings are correct, because incorrect system time can trigger secure connection errors with banking website and apps. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.